Hey guys, how's it going? It's a Pocket, back with another product review video. Finally found some time to make a video. In this video, I'm gonna show you a very cool product which I got recently, which will definitely keep annoying pests away from your home, including mice and insects. So let's get started. Whoever thinks of mosquitoes, spiders and cockroaches is getting paranoid. I hope I didn't make you throw up. Hence that's why in my hands I'm holding an ultrasonic pest repeller. Actually I'm holding a 2-pack of them, which will definitely keep all of these pests showing here away from your home. So this includes mosquitoes, cockroaches, spiders, mice and ants away from your house. Of course this is environmental friendly because it's toxic and chemical free and doesn't cause any harm on humans, pets and any other animals apart from hamsters. So if you have a hamster in your house and you want to install a repeller, then make sure to move your hamster away from the room where you're gonna install it in order to prevent it feel uncomfortable. This repeller unfortunately is not suitable for outdoors since it's going to have very little effect, but is very effective indoors. So this includes rooms, office, warehouse, factories, all those indoor areas. So that means having one repeller per room is going to be the perfect scenario. In case you're unsure how repellers work, I'm going to give you a very brief explanation. So once you plug in the device to the wall, it's going to emit ultrasonic waves, which is very high pitched sound with very high frequency, making for the human ear impossible to hear. The frequency is roughly at 30, 40, all the way up to 60 Hz, which is the ideal frequency to make pests uncomfortable in the area. One more thing I need to mention, which is very important, is that once you plug in the device, it's going to take a certain amount of time, from 1 week all the way up to 3 weeks, in order for pests which have already settled in your house to leave. And that's because very high frequency sound will make them very uncomfortable, so hence they're going to move around in your house. So don't get discouraged if you see pests moving around your house, and that's because all the pests which are already in your house are moving around and they're looking for a path to leave your house. So that's for sure. By the time you're going to plug in the device, no more pests will come into the house. After 3 weeks, no more pests will come into your house because the repeller is going to be settled down and is going to keep all pests away. Now let's go through and unbox the product. So this is how the repeller looks like. As you can see, on the top is a speaker where all the ultrasonic waves will be emitted. And here's the LED where it's going to flash once you plug it into a wall in order to indicate that this device works. And on the back is simply the plug-in. So as you can see on the box, there are 2 repellers, so you can literally put them into rooms in your house. Also, you got a small piece of paper of instructions in case this is the first time you are using a repeller. Okay, so now let's move on the demonstration. As you can see, this room is quite big, so I have to put the repeller somewhere where there are no nearby objects which could possibly block the ultrasound. A good location will be here, because as you can see on the other side there's a door which could prevent future pests to come in. At this point we fulfill all the criteria of the installation of the repeller. The first one is between 8 to 31 inches away from the ground. There are no nearby obstacles closer to 1 meter away from the repeller. And the last one, there are no furniture which deter or attach frequency, such as fridge, curtain and carpet. So the installation point of the repeller is excellent, and since the door is on the opposite side, it should cover more area in your house. In about 2 to 3 weeks from now, all these pests will be gone and future pests will not find it comfortable to come into your house or even stay at your house. In my opinion, this product is a must, and if you have lots of pests like mosquitoes, then you have to buy this product. So again, to make sure that the repeller covers the maximum possible area in your room, make sure to place it in the most open area of that room. And again, it will definitely help if there is a door on the other side and a window next to it, because these are the key entrance for all the pests where they come in. So having this repeller very close to these pathways, this is definitely going to prevent them from coming in the future. So what kind of pests do you have in your house? Do you have lots of mosquitoes? And also, if you do, what are your techniques to keep them away? Let me know in the comments. And also don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and also share this video to your friends in order to recommend them this product if they have lots of trouble with pests. And lastly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the little notification bell right next to it in order to get notified on every upload. So thanks for watching, and as always, I'm gonna see you to my next video.